Open the lid and front door. Cut all cable ties on both sides. Slightly pull the beam outward to make space for installing the laser module. Before assembly, ensure the right side handle is positioned at the top. Place the laser module into the laser module slot. Then press down the right side handle to lock the module in place. Connect the power cable and air tube to the laser module. Attach the distance sensor onto the laser module. Use the hex key, H2.5, to unscrew the 3 screws of the louver on the back of the machine. Then remove the louver by sliding it left or right. Attach the smoke exhaust pipe to the smoke outlet and secure back the 3 screws. Connect the power cable to the AC power adapter. Insert the cable into the DC power port. Insert the security key. Release the emergency stop button by turning it clockwise. Remove the cap from the camera. Turn on the LX2 power switch. At this point, the basic assembly of the LX2 is complete. Before you start your project, be sure to watch the Air Assist tutorial to finish the installation. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the LaserPecker support team at support@laserpecker.com. Thank you for watching.